Assalamualaikum warahmatullah. Dear learners and viewers, welcome to the online class organized by the principal of our Tongi Pilot School and Girls College. I'd like to thank him for this great arrangement. Dear learners, this is Syed Tanbir Hossen, your English teacher. How is it going? Certainly you are safe and sound by the pity of the Almighty Allah. Alhamdulillah, I am also okay. I am here with the students of class 10 according to the routine, Though today's topic is not only appropriate for the students of class 10, rather it will be helpful for the students of class 9, 10, 11 and 12 as well. Okay. Today subject English second paper, and today's topic question number 10, connectors. I do believe that as a student of class 10 you have got enough idea about all the grammatical test items in class 9. Besides, nowadays you are enjoying a lot of online classes, particularly taken by a group of skilled and experienced teachers of our institutions. In my teaching life, I have noticed that many students continue to face difficulties regarding these test items, and for that reason I have arranged today's class. Okay, let's start our lesson. Connectors. You know that this test item is set in question number 10, and there is a passage. Where you can find some gaps, and you have to fill those gaps with suitable connectors or connecting words. Though those connecting words are not given in the box. Anyway, what is connector? You have to know about it. If you don't know about the connectors, the uses of connectors in details, then you will face difficulties. So please listen to me very carefully. Connectors are some words or phrases that connect some other words or phrases or clauses. I repeat, connectors are those words or phrases that connect other words or phrases or clauses. Understand? Okay. From this definition, we can easily gauge that connectors play the role of conjunction to a great extent, right? So we have to know about conjunctions. However, I believe that you have an idea about it. Even then, I will discuss about it. Conjunctions are also some words or those parts of speech that connect or join two or more than two words, two or more phrases or clauses or sentences, So now we will try to learn about the kinds of conjunctions. Usually, there are three types of conjunctions you will see in English grammar. First one is coordinating conjunction. Second one, subordinating conjunctions. And the third one, correlative conjunctions or paired conjunctions. Especially, I'll try to discuss about conjunctions. Though some conjunctive adverbs, that means transitions, are used as connectors in this test item. Okay. In the next class, I will discuss about it. Today, I am discussing one by one about these three types of conjunctions. Okay, listen to me. Coordinating conjunctions. What is coordinating conjunction? Coordinating conjunctions are those conjunctions that connect or that join two words, two phrases, or two clauses of same status or equal status. For example, Corinne and Rohim play in the afternoon. In this sentence, you can find two proper nouns at first. Corinne, Rohim. These are two proper nouns. That means these two nouns are of equal status. And these two nouns are joined with and this and is coordinating conjunction. Got the point clear? Okay. In this manner you can see Rohim is poor, but he is honest. Here we can find another coordinating conjunctions, that is but. This conjunction is used between two clauses, and two clauses are also of same status now. Karim is poor, he is honest. These two clauses are of same status or equal status. So, what we can see here, we can see that coordinating conjunctions are used to join two words, two clauses. In the same way, you can join two phrases as well. Okay. Now, what are the other examples of coordinating conjunctions? You can see on the whiteboard, I have written already an acronym. What is this? Fanboys. Fanboys. ভক্ত ছেলেরা. in Bangla. Okay. Acronym. These acronym. I believe that you know about acronym. First letter F. F for, A for and, N for nor, B for but, O for or, Y for yet, S for so. Very interesting. If you can remember these acronyms, then it will be very, very easy for you to remember the example of coordinating conjunctions. Here you can usually see there are seven coordinating conjunctions, and these are mostly used, you can see. Okay. Next, subordinating conjunctions. What is subordinating conjunction? Subordinating conjunctions are those that join two clauses. One is independent clause and the other one is dependent clause. Sometimes we know them. One is main clause and the other one is subordinate clause. Whatever you may say. Anyway, this subordinate clause joins an independent clause to a dependent clause, so we have to learn about the examples of subordinating conjunctions so that we can use these conjunctions easily, or we can remember the examples of subordinating clause easily, the subordinating conjunctions easily. Okay. How? Here I have written also an acronym. You can see TC, PC, RC, MC related. That means T related, C related, P related, C related, R related, C related, M related, C related. That means T for time. That means time related. You can remember in this way. This is a technique actually. This is the technique. You cannot find these acronym. You cannot find these acronym actually in any book. I use this acronym for your convenience. Okay. T for time related, C for contrast related, P for place related, C for cause related, R for relative, that means relative pronoun or relative adverb, you know. C, another C for condition related, M for manner related, and C for comparison related. Okay. What is time related? What are the time related subordinate clause? You know, when, whenever, as soon as, etc. Contrast, though, although, even though. Okay. Next, place related. What are the place related subordinate clause? Where, wherever, here, there, etc. Cause related, as, since, because, etc. Relative pronoun or relative adverb, who, which, what, that. Relative adverb, where, when, how, why. Condition, if, condition related, if, unless, provided that, in case, etc. Next, manner. Manner, you know, as if, as though, thus, etc. Next, next one, comparison. Comparison related, maybe rather than, as much as. Okay. In this way, you can remember the examples of subordinate clause. Actually, this is very interesting. This acronym is also helpful to remember the examples of subordinating conjunctions, right? Number 3, correlative conjunctions or paired conjunctions. What is correlative conjunctions? Correlative conjunctions are such type of conjunctions that are always used in pair. That is a pair of joining word that connects two words, phrases, or clauses. How? Pair of joining words, both and. A pair of joining words. Either, ... or. Here you can see another pair of conjunctions. Pair of words, pair of joining word. Neither ... not. In the same way, not ... but, not only ... but also, whether ... or, so ... that, such ... that, as ... as, so ... as, just as ... as, no sooner ... than, hardly had ... than, scarcely ... when, etc. etc. Okay. Here you can see that when you will find both you will see that and will be used after that, and will be used after that usually. In the same manner, when you see either, then you will see the use of or. In this way you can take help. By seeing the first word, you can use the second word. Okay. Anyway, I think you have understood what I have discussed so far. And in the next class, we will discuss about the conjunctive adverbs or transitions. That's all for today. I think this lecture or this class will be helpful for you, and till then I'd like to suggest you that stay home and be safe, and don't go outside of your home. Even then, if you need to go out, then you must maintain hygiene. Thank you very much, and best of luck.